Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of resetting your Linksys AX4200 Smart Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. This can be particularly useful for resolving connectivity problems or if you plan to sell the device. Let's dive right into the details. Before we proceed, it's important to understand that there are two types of resets, a soft reset and a factory reset. A soft reset will reboot the device without deleting your settings, while a factory reset will erase all your custom configurations and return the device to its original state. To perform a factory reset, please follow these instructions carefully. Start by making sure your Linksys AX4200 is powered on. Next, find the reset button, typically located on the back of the router, as it's crucial for initiating the reset process. Take a paperclip or a small pin, and gently press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You should observe the LED lights on the router starting to blink, which signifies that the reset process is underway and functioning properly. Once you release the reset button, the router will initiate an automatic reboot. This process may take a few minutes to complete. When the LED lights become stable and solid, your Linksys AX4200 has been successfully restored to its factory default settings. Now that your device has been reset, it's time to set it up again. You can either open the Linksys app on your smartphone or use a web browser to access the router's settings page. Follow the on-screen prompts to establish your Wi-Fi network name and password. Once you've completed the reconfiguration, it's wise to test your network connection to confirm that everything is functioning correctly. Utilize a speed test tool to check your internet speeds, ensuring you have a reliable and strong connection throughout your home or office.